Good morning. Okay, here we have the new Olight Freyr, which I actually won in a competition. I have many Olights, but this is the first multicoloured tactical light that Olight have produced. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. For comparison, I have brought my S1R Baton 2, which is my EDC light, and absolutely fantastic if you don't have one of these. Brilliant little light, super bright. Okay, so let's have a look what we've got in here. As always, lovely box, run times, as we can see, 1,750 luminums for 2 minutes, then stepping down to 850 luminums for 150 minutes. Not bad run times. Obviously, it's got the red, green, and blue light as well. In the packaging, we've got the light itself, the magnetic charging cable, the traffic wand, pocket clip, holster, and user manual. Let's have a look. I always like that message. What have we got? Congratulations. Unscrew the tail cap and remove the yellow insulating film. That's standard. If you've bought an Olight before, you'll be used to that. Please charge fully before you turn it on. Charge directly via the provided USB magnetic charging cable. As with most of the Olights we have. Let's have a look. So, what have we got here? So, got our holster, magnetic. That is a very strong magnet. Ooh, feels nice. Silicon wand. It's cold as well because it's just been delivered. Oh, that feels nice. So look. You can see the center LED and the 3 colour LEDs around the edge there. Nice bezel. Aggressive kind of look. It's quite weighty. Feels nice actually. Tactical switch at the bottom, which is super handy. And obviously side switch with, if you can see that small dot, that is the power indicating LED, so we know how much power we've got left. Let's have a look at our silicon traffic wand. Now, when you put the silicon traffic wand on, because of the sensor which prevents the light activating in your pocket or close to clothing, it does drop the light intensity. Well, obviously you wouldn't want a lightsaber, would you? But it does drop the light intensity so that it is a traffic one, not a super bright lightsaber. Obviously, we need to charge this, so we'll just have a little look. So let's have a little look. So look at the difference. Massive, but feels nice and weighty. Let's have a look what else we've got then. Okay. Okay, so as always, we've got our little, there is a pocket clip as well. So we have our charging cable. This is one of the newer charging cables as depicted by the red. So you know this one works at 1 amp, 1.5 amp and 2 amps, which is a higher capacity charging cable. So quick look what else we've got. We've got a little pocket clip. Let's open this up and have a little look. Ooh, that's handy. I can imagine I probably will fit that because I don't wear a belt, so I'm not going to be taking it in the holster. So that is awesome. That is pretty awesome. Ooh, nice clip on there. Let's have a look. There we go. Clipped on. Ready to go. Okie dokie. Have we got a little lanyard? No, no lanyard. Did it say lanyard? No, it doesn't actually. My fault. Battery, charge cable, silicon traffic band, pocket clip, holster, user manual. Probably. Then again, I have many lanyards, and it does have the hole for the lanyard, so I probably will fit a lanyard. That is lovely. Really, really weighty. Let's have a little look down this end. Okay. Okay. Here is our massive 5,000 milliamp hour battery. That is a whopper. I mean, if you put that in comparison to the S1R, it's massive. Massive battery. You can see inside there. That is an epic battery. Back in, and we will get that charged up. Okay. So simply put this into your wall charger, and jobs are good. And that will grow red as it's charging, and then green once it's full. You can leave it on once it's on green actually, because it then will complete to 100%, because it's not 100% at first. Once it goes green, it's usually about 95. But I would recommend obviously you use this charger, not the ones that you get with the other Olights. So yeah, that is cool. So I will go ahead and charge this now, and I will be back to show you what it's like. Thank you. And thank you, Olight. As I say, I actually won that in a competition. Brilliant. Thank you.